Ms. Nadelback here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the drive, and we're going to be talking about creating folders for organization. What's important to know about the drive is that it's like a big filing cabinet. You can save all different types of files here. So not only the Google stuff like slides and docs and sheets, but you can also save PDF files, you could save image files, you could save videos. All sorts of items can be saved inside the drive. So let's get started. This is my drive, and as you can see, I have lots of different folders. And within these folders, I have all different types of documents. Now, I like to think of the drive as a big filing cabinet. And as you know, there's always folders and tabs if you've ever looked within a file cabinet. So in order to keep it organized, you have to name it something. So we need to name our folder. I'm going to hit New, and I'm going to hit Folder. Right now it says Untitled Folder. I'm going to pretend I'm on the basketball team. So I'm going to say Basketball Team Folder. Now, I wrote folder on purpose because I'm going to edit it. I really don't want it to say basketball team folder. I wanted to say basketball team because everything's a folder. So I'm going to go up to the three dots. The three dots is your menu that will allow you to do certain things. And in this case, I can rename my document. So I'm going to hit rename, and I'm going to take out the word folder. So just keep in mind, you can always change things, edit things. I'm also going to make it orange. I'm going to go back into three dots again, and I'm going to change the color and make it orange. Okay, now I'm in the basketball team. And what I'm going to do now, again, I can do other things with this. I can download this folder, I could share this folder, I can get a link to this folder if I want to share it with somebody. For now, I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to create Google Doc. Now, right now, my Google Doc does not have a name. Keep in mind when you're sharing things in the drive, you don't want everything to be untitled document because then your entire drive is going to say untitled document. And I don't know, but for me, that would be really difficult to know what I'm looking for. So I'm going to name it. And I'm going to pretend that I was doing the basketball notes. I had a meeting. You're going to notice right when I made the title, it said it's been saved to Drive. Remember, in any of these programs, docs, sheets, whatever, you never have to hit save. So I'm going to type basketball notes. And again, it says save to Drive. And for now, I'm done. So I'm going to hit X. And if you notice, it's now in the basketball team folder. So that's how you basically create a folder and save a Google Doc to Drive. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how we upload into the Drive. So for now, if you have any questions, ask Nadelback at pinehillschools.org, and hope you all have a fantastic day.